Okay guys, today I'm gonna go over the best supplement that I found out so far about productivity. So if you're like me, you have a lot going on during the day. I'm a bartender, I'm a full-time college student. I used to have a girlfriend. Sorry about that guys, but that used to be kind of like a full-time job as well too. YouTube, I'm a musician as well. I have a lot going on during the day. When it comes time for me to just sit down and work on my laptop and do dedicated deep work, I have to be as productive as possible. I've tried out different supplements. I've tried out Nootropics, modafinil, even like stimulants like Adderall and stuff. All of those gave me really bad side effects. It honed me in and had me do the job, but they left me feeling basically terrible afterwards, and I was looking for a supplement that didn't have that like nasty side effect profile. L-Tyrosine. This is from Nootropics Depot. This is their 500 milligram capsules. Each capsule is actually 500 milligrams. So with this guys, you only need to take one. I wouldn't even recommend taking two of these, but off of one of these L-Tyrosine capsules, you get about 90 minutes to even almost 2 hours of just dedicated deep work. You pop one of these and you're gonna be focused. It kind of feels a little bit like the Nootropics, like the Adderalls, but a very light version of it. It's just like within your brain, you feel very like psyched in. L-Tyrosine is an amino acid, and it's also kind of like an anti-cholinergic. So if you're like me, some supplements and nootropics actually have a lot of choline in them, and they uptake the choline in your body. And if you have too much choline, like if you naturally have a lot of choline and you add more choline to your system, you get very depressive like symptoms that can last for a couple days. And that's happened to me with a lot of supplements, like Nootropics especially. I would take that and I would be feeling like sad for 2 or 3 days, or even things like that are a little bit more obscure. This L-Tyrosine is the opposite of that. This actually decreases choline in your body a little bit from what I've researched, and that helps me a lot. But along with that, it's an amino acid that's commonly found within eggs, chicken, and it just helps you focus. If you find that sometimes you jump from topic to topic, or you kind of procrastinate, or when you sit down to work, you find yourself going on your phone, or you might hit up other tabs on your computer, by taking L-Tyrosine, it just feels like you're very clean-minded and you know the objective and what you need to do first and foremost, you get that done. And also I've noticed it allows me to multitask very well. So if you guys are trying to have something that helps you with your productivity, I vastly recommend L-Tyrosine. Nootropics Depot has the best version of it. Try it out. Let me know you guys' experiences. Comment down below, have you used L-Tyrosine before? What have been your effects with it? Because so far it's been the best for me. It's not necessarily for energy, but for productivity and focus for like 90 minutes to about 2 hours. So comment down below your experiences. If you're new to the channel, my name is Alton. Welcome. I make a bunch of videos just like this about biohacking, nootropics. If you like what you see, make sure you like the video and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on my newer videos. And also, if you'd like to schedule a call with me, I have my link down in the description. We can set up a specific biohacking regimen for you, whether that be for sleeping, for erection quality, whether that be for energy or productivity like this. Whatever you need, we can cater a specific biohacking supplemental nootropic regimen that's specific and tailored towards you. So hit that link down in the description if you want to set up a call with me. I'll be back with another video very soon. I love you guys.